Yo, what is going on, you guys? Bobo here, back in a video. Today, I am going to be showing you guys how to use OBS Studio in 2017. It's a really easy program and software. If you guys are still having trouble, this is a video for you, and you guys are probably viewing because you guys obviously are having a trouble or something. But here you go, guys. This is basically the overlay that you guys will see as soon as you download OBS. You guys probably already know that, but there's tons of other settings in this software that you guys can use, and I'll be explaining that today. So your guys' screen will not look like this. You guys will not have video capture device already on it and display capture device. But so what you guys want to do, I'm gonna make your screen just look just like yours. So I'm gonna delete this. Actually, I'm not gonna delete that. But you guys will have this screen where it's blank. So you guys will have scene and blank. So what you guys want to do is put, if you guys have a camera, put video capture device first. And this is the layers type of software. So if you put like camera last, obviously your camera will be behind will be behind your screen, behind your game and everything. So you guys don't want to do that. So make sure your video capture device is first, and then you want your display capture, which is your background. Like you guys can see my Razer background, everything I'm doing right now. That is my next thing, but you have another adding thing that you can make it. You can make game capture. I'm not going to do that because I'm not doing a game right now, but for the game capture, you can record your game, and it's actually really helpful and stuff. So it just records your whole game. You can still have audio in it and everything, but if you guys are recording a game, make sure you do put that in there because that's the only way you're going to be able to record a game. So now let's get right into the settings, guys. So first settings, we have our general settings. So basically you can just change if your language or English or whatever you guys are. The theme, I did not really touch. I didn't put dark or anything because I don't really know what that does, but I'll have to check that out. But there's tons of other boxes you can check, like show confirmation, dialogue when starting streams and stuff like that, as you guys can read right here. I didn't really touch any of this. This is all my basically default settings right here, but a snap sensitivity, I'm not quite sure what that is either, so I didn't even touch that. I mean, I can look into it. You guys can look into it, but I didn't really touch that, so I'll just leave it default if you guys want to start recording like that. Stream, there's streaming on this thing also, guys. So stream type, you guys can use custom streaming server or streaming services. I really recommend picking streaming services. I mean, that's just what I use. So service Twitch, there is tons of different services that you guys can use. I'm guessing you guys mostly use Twitch or YouTube. So there's Twitch, YouTube, Hitbox, Beam Pro, Dailymotion, Live Coding, Facebook, and Restream. So I mean, most of the time you guys are going to be picking Twitch or YouTube, so I recommend just putting that. And then your server, I don't know why I have it on California right now, but I should be US East. But so as you guys want to change your server, that is recommended. You guys should do that because that is one of the main things you guys should do. And you also do need a stream key if you guys are streaming. So I mean, I'm pretty sure it shows it on your Twitch. So if you guys want to use that, just press on, just go to your Twitch, and there's some videos about it too. But also just click show after, and you'll get your stream key to be able to stream. So your output, I really cannot do anything right now because I am streaming, so I can't really update any of this. But if you guys want to just have the same thing as me, I put high quality, medium file size, MP4. These are all really great recording settings for when you record videos. So streaming, I did not really touch any of this because I have not streamed yet on OBS. I don't know why I've not done that yet. I've just recorded. But here's all my stuff for streaming. If you guys want to use that, I mean, I have not tried it yet, so I don't know if it's good, but I mean, it looks decent. So your audio, this is where it comes really, you guys need to pay attention to this part. Desktop audio device. So your desktop audio device is basically like what I'm talking through right now. I mean, not what I'm talking through, it's through like all of your system noises that makes and stuff. So do not make it the same as your mic. Like, see how I have Turtle Beach down here? Do not make that if you have a Turtle Beach mic. Do not put that on here. It will not work, guys. So put default for your first one, and then the other one does not matter. I don't really know what the other one's for, but I've tried it, and it doesn't. It's useful. It's not even useful at all, guys. So I would just put disable. That's all really you need to do, and then just apply it after. These I did not touch. So if you guys want to touch any of these, that'll be cool and stuff. So my video output is currently active, so I cannot do anything with these. But I did actually use these for when I was trying to do it. So I put 1920 by 1080. It's actually really good. So I put that. My output resolution I did not touch, but I put 1280 by 720. I mean, I guess it is pretty good if you guys are making good YouTube videos and stuff like that. So just put 1920 by 1080. Your hotkeys, guys. Your start streaming is mouse 4, so it's basically on my mouse, but basically what hotkeys do is a little thing where it teaches you how to start your recording and stuff. So any button you guys want to use, like if you guys use any button, you guys can use that to start your recording. Like I use F1, so like I don't really use F1 that much for for recording. I mean, for touching any games like that. But my stop recording, I use F2 because also it's another button I don't really use that much. So whatever button you guys don't use as much, I'd make that as your stop recording and start recording. It's just the best thing you guys can do. But my start streaming, I haven't streamed yet, obviously, like I told you, but I put them at mouse 4, mouse 5. So your advanced settings, I have actually not touched any of these, so I don't even know what this is. But if you guys wanted to copy off mine, you can, because I might have changed a couple things in here, like process priority above normal. I'm pretty sure I put that instead of normal. So your file name formatting, just all this stuff I did not really touch yet. But if you guys are still struggling on your mic or any audio type of that, there are also some settings right here in your audio that you guys can click on. Like there's filters and properties. Filters, you can just add more audio filters like that, and so also in oops, I clicked filters by accident. And properties, you guys can change your mic like you did before, but it's just easier. It's an easier thing that you guys can do, and it shows you your mics, not everything you have, like your speakers and stuff. So here is everything you guys can pick right there. So other than that, guys, there's not really much to this thing. It's a really easy software program. I mean, if you guys are using to record and stuff, this is really easy to download and everything, guys. Studio mode, I'm pretty sure you can make stuff in here and stuff, but settings, it's just really easy. It's a really easy software to use, guys. But I noticed that people are having trouble still in the comments from after 2017 and stuff, so I decided to make a video on it. You guys can put fade and stuff too, and this doesn't really matter. But other than that, guys, that's really all there is. So drop a like, and other than that, guys, peace.